Hello, friend. How are you today? In this video, we will talk about our time. Welcome to this mind healing journey where we'll explore the power of patience, persistence, and self-belief. Today, we'll dive into the truth that everyone has their time to succeed. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. We often compare ourselves to others, thinking we're not good enough or successful enough. But comparison is a trap that steals our joy and potential. Let's release the need to compare and focus on our unique path to success. Success rarely happens overnight. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. Let's cultivate patience and persistence, knowing that every step forward, no matter how small, brings us closer to our goals. Our minds are powerful tools that can either limit or empower us. Let's choose to believe in ourselves, our abilities, and our worthiness of success. We are capable of achieving greatness when we trust in ourselves. Let's acknowledge and celebrate our progress, no matter how small. Every achievement is a testament to our hard work and dedication. We deserve to recognize and honor our successes. Remember, everyone has their time to succeed. Trust in your journey, believe in yourself, and know that your time is coming. Keep shining and never give up on your dreams. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. You are stronger than your limitations. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine. You are deserving of success, happiness, and fulfillment. Keep pushing forward, even when the journey gets tough. Your time to succeed is on the horizon. Keep believing, keep pushing, and know that it's on its way. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. Enjoy the process, learn from your mistakes, and keep growing. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't let anyone or anything hold you back. Keep pushing forward, even when it feels like giving up. Your breakthrough is just around the corner. You got this. You are strong, resilient, and powerful. Keep shining and never let your light fade. Thank you for joining me on this mind healing journey. Until next time, stay empowered and inspired. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for regular updates.